Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have smothered turkey wings with mashed potato and broccoli. I know this is good because I taste my food as I'm cooking it. Never give them the
bobblehead.
But before we dig in, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We are back. I know you like it because I love it. You better like it.
I am excited to eat this delicious
Why are you so excited though?
Because it is good.
Family, let me tell you what happened went down today. You want to tell them what happened first, lady?
You tell him.
Today, first lady said she gonna make smothered turkey. So I call it. I'm not a big turkey fan. And when she said the wings, I said, God damn, those wings are so gigantic. And I said, you know, I'm not gonna eat that now because you know I don't like turkey like that. But family, so when I came home and first they let me taste peace, God damn. I said, what I was talking about.
Yeah, reach it up on the phone, boy. I don't want a turkey.
But family.
I said, well, that's what I'm cooking today.
First they was about to go do a video by herself. But when she made me taste this,
I'm like,
yo, my bad, I'm sorry. It tastes good, you're freak. Family, this tastes
but
good,
he's right.
son.
He's not a turkey person,
person.
but when I make stew peas, I put smoked turkey neck in there and he tear it up.
Yep. Damn, but yo.
So, I was like, I feel like eating some some smothered turkey.
Hold on.
Look at this. Let me share with them today.
Yeah, I'll go. Yeah, share.
Look at my potato.
I was gonna pick up mine, but better you drop yours than me.
Look at that, family. You see that?
That is good.
You see that?
That is good. Give him a little piece of mine. Take a little bite. You don't have to put your hand there, boom, right there. Take a little bite. There we go. I don't know if you can see, but yeah. I don't know what I was thinking. Family, I said no, I'm not. I said I'm not eating that. I'm not eating that.
What?
So I said, what's the thing you used to put in the stew peas? He says a turkey neck. I said, yeah, I want that part. She said, no, that's the bony part. But I said, he had a meat in there too. But
honey, we sat here and we had a whole turkey leg. When you go to Orlando, you eat turkey leg.
Yeah, but the wings are too big. I eat the wings. I eat the leg. I like the leg.
Wait. Don't make no sense.
I like the leg part, but the wing part, remember, I never eat a turkey wing like that.
I know, but your yam turkey leg.
Turkey leg, nice
That
one.
big turkey leg that we had on the video a couple of months ago.
I tore it up.
All right.
I like the leg part.
So.
But I never tried the wing. I'm gonna try it today. My first time I'm gonna try the wing.
I told my husband, I said, listen to me. I've been thinking about this turkey wing for a while.
You did a good job.
And I'm gonna make it. So when Richie come home and taste it, he couldn't resist it. I said, I know. This is delicious. I
couldn't resist this. First day he said me eat bun up oxtail when I go buy a store, so I can't make much can yam this.
So me so for real.
Oxtail different, but yeah. I never had they always make smothered pork. But it's my first time tasting smothered.
Yeah, that's true. So something smothered.
I think I broccoli for that. Nice.
I'm not gonna lie, it is freaking good.
No, it is good. I'm not gonna lie, it is good.
It is delicious. Delicious.
I don't know what I was thinking. I hope everybody had a good Valentine's.
We're late, but it's okay.
Yeah. See the part of me I talk about now, Tom? Big wing, yeah, man. Well, I'm gonna have to go do it. But this is good though. I'm scared of the wing because it's so big. Turkey coming like ostrich. But this, I ain't gonna lie. I'm keep saying it. This is more than good. This is delicious. And broccoli.
Crunchy.
Fine. How y'all doing? How you doing? Y'all doing fine?
Oh my gosh. So good.
We're doing excellent, right? As you can see. First they made the smothered turkey, man. Turkey wing.
Skin.
Skin part.
I don't know what made me say. I just.
You fell for it.
Yeah. You ever feel for something? You just it pops up in your mind.
Feel free to just go get do it.
And you're like, I'm gonna cook this. That's how I felt.
I ain't gonna lie. I don't know what I was thinking, son. Probably the work was getting to me. But
I said, Richie, listen to me. I had in my mind I'm making some turkey wing. I that gonna make. Cause I know once you taste it, you're gonna be like, God damn, this is good.
and I bust video first time I taste piece, man. Everybody a freak. Nah lie. Bad man.
The gravy is delicious.
You know, so this can't fool me. Potato, look a bit.
Yeah, I give you a lot of potato.
You smell that?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I give you a lot.
Look at this. Look at it again. Take it out, take it out, take it out, take it out. I like turkey. I like turkey now. Smothered though. What I got? Vanilla cream soda.
Oh.
See, I told you they put in the bottle now.
Yeah. I don't know why, but I feel like stuff tastes better in a glass bottle.
You enjoying it?
It's my first time making smothered turkey wing. Okay? And the kids them first time even tasting, just like Richie. So they did tasting, they're like, wow, this is good.
It's good, man. It's good. How many of y'all did this before? Smothered turkey. That's the first thing you said. Comment down. If you did this before too. I'm not eat that part, right? I'm not kidding. Here.
Lately, a beer licking on my finger, I be licking.
You're not eating that part, right, Tom? Okay.
Ooh. I just wish I put pepper in it, but I'm gonna taste the pepper. Come on.
That gravy, nice.
Might as well get some more gravy.
How much you get me? You don't know more drumstick?
I'm gonna have a wing. You want this drumstick? I take the last wing.
Give me a drumstick, yeah.
You don't love drumstick like that, then y'all take drumstick.
I you know I eat the turkey leg.
Give me the turkey leg. Give me the turkey leg.
Get some more gravy, I'll wait for you.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some more gravy.
Damn.
You back, family. Okay, family, so I went ahead and got the rest of the gravy and the last piece of the wing.
And she gave me a drumstick. I like it. I like the drumstick.
My niece is here.
You tore it up.
Oh. I tore it up. If you make this, let us know.
For real, like, if y'all made it before, but yo, this is good. I'm not gonna lie. Now you're gonna have to let me try the smothered pork.
If you eat the smothered pork, my gosh.
Can't go back.
Can't go back. Okay.
I'm not even gonna say comment down because I know they want me to try the pork already. You know.
I know.
Not try it. Very rich. 20K when you're pork. I'm very.
You leave your expectations so low? Your money? You say $1 million?
I'm not in the pork right now. We need the pork right now.
Oh.
Wow.
Now I taste a little bit of the pepper. I wish it was more peppery, but it's still good.
It's good. I ain't gonna lie. As I said, I never ate nothing smothered, but this is good. I enjoy it. I don't know what I was thinking. I man.
And I you said, and you tell the family they must try new things.
But I don't like the wing part.
The wing part?
I like legs.
So if I smother it again, you want it to be all legs?
Yeah, man. All legs smother. No wing.
I can do half and half.
Wing too big.
So you can get the legs.
Yeah.
Because I like the wing.
I mean, if I lick you with that bone, then you're free.
Now lick them mine.
Boy, it'll knock you up. Damn.
All night I was thinking about this. I couldn't wait to cook this.
She was talking about this all for real. She was talking about like, oh.
I couldn't wait. Because I knew it was going to come out good.
And I said, I'm not going to eat that. And you know what? I told her, yo, I'm not going to eat that. The first thing again, we get on the phone. Yeah. I told her, I thought it was the neck part. She said, the neck part is bone. I said, I want the same one you put in the oxtail for me. The 2 pieces for me. She said, no, that's the bone part. I said, yo, the turkey wing, that's the big wings. They look like ostrich.
I just told my husband, I said, listen to me, well then I'm going to do a video by myself then. Because I want smothered turkey.
She's about to do the video by herself, and then she said, yo, when I came on, when I came to doing this, she said, lick me, man. I said, let me taste that. I taste that, I didn't even want to bathe. I want to eat right away.
You want to eat right away?
Well, this is good. Look at the big piece. Yeah, a nice piece of meat.
Oh, sorry, baby. The thing is probably bright because of the
Right.
I gotta change the filter.
I can't see.
Woo!
Man, it was good though. I'll taste it for y'all. Wow. This was smoothing.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
No, I didn't enjoy it. I love it.
You love it?
They like it. I love it.
Wow. I'm happy.
But not the window.
My next question. Why you gotta be so difficult all the time? You Aries people, boy.
You know, I told you the pantry. I would do my chance with the leg part, but not the wing. Wing too big, Wing big, my. If you eat a turkey at your family, what part of the turkey you like? Tell me if you like the wings them too. Or you same thing with the wing is too big, just like if you say the same thing. Let me know. If you like the wing or the drumstick.
I had to lick all the gravy off of the wing.
You put gravy and then I give me anything, my potato shot. Potato shot.
How much potato did I give you?
Do you give me a lot?
I give you a lot. I almost took some out.
Seriously?
Yeah, man, because I said, wow, it's a lot of potato. Because you know potato fool you.
I'm being honest, I'm not full.
You're not full? You need to go to the doctor. You have worms.
Nah, I ain't full. I'm being honest. I can eat 2 more of them drumstick here.
Wow.
Wow. I said I didn't want this. You could do a special guy, yet you tease me. Yeah, she can watch. She first said, "Watch me and him." I guarantee you gonna want like it.
There's no way you can pass this up. No way.
Seasoned to perfection.
That's what I'm saying. Because, like I said, I've been thinking about it, and I already had in my mind how I was gonna make it, and it's not hard for me because I make smothered pork chops all the time. So I basically did the same thing.
If that's how the pork tastes?
Yeah, man.
Damn. If that's how the pork tastes, I don't want it. My breakfast.
Yeah, man.
Damn. Damn, family. Watch out. First thing that me rushing off the bowl. That was good.
Delicious.
Alright.
Turkey leg.
Yo, I want you to make this again for real. Drumsticks.
Delicious.
It's delicious. Alright, guys, today. That was good. That was good as hell. I don't know why I was thinking, but I take it back.
That's right. And then the first time.
I didn't be a good thing. First thing is darkness may hide the trees and the flowers from the eyes, but it cannot hide the love from the soul.
Mmm.
You didn't hear me?
That's a good one.
Want me to say it again?
Yeah, man.
Oh, that turkey leg just.
Look at our plate.
Family, listen again. I can't even talk good when the food was good.
Delicious.
I ain't gonna lie. This was one of my favorite turkey, other than the turkey leg. But I love this. Seriously.
Oh, that's nice.
No, I'm serious. This was good, son.
It really, family, it really was. He ain't capping.
No, this was good. I'm not even gonna lie. And you know, I get down like that. This was good.
Yep.
Family, I'm gonna read it for you again because this was so good. Darkness may hide the trees and the flowers from the eyes, but it cannot hide love from the soul. Wow. I don't know what I was
Excuse
thinking.
me, sorry.
Sorry, Tom. All right. We shared, as you can see, I ate it off, and it wasn't a lot of potatoes. I don't know why I do that when it's not a lot of food today.
For real.
If you're new, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell somebody to know somebody to tell them about the greedy couple, and just tell them to come watch these people just talk. All right, we appreciate y'all. We are the greedy couple. They are First Lady. Yo.
The greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.